Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to delete your Trust Wallet account, first of all tap on Trust Wallet application. Now enter your password in order to access your Trust Wallet application. Now you will be provided with the home screen of Trust Wallet application. All you have to do is tap on settings, which is in the bottom right corner. Now tap on wallets, and then you can see only one option, that is main wallet. So slide main wallet, and then you can see the option of delete. Now it says, are you sure you would like to delete this wallet? So go ahead and tap on delete. Now it will ask you to enter your password again, so go ahead and enter the password of your Trust Wallet account. And then it's done, guys. We are back to get started. That is from first. So this is how we can easily delete our Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.